Hi there, I'm Vicki Parfenow from Aussie Stampers. Welcome to my channel. I have a quick tip for you today. I've been making some prints on the gel press with some smooth cardstock and distress oxide inks. I just used some masks and different colours and I was really happy with the result. I decided I was going to make cards with them, so I just cut the cards down to the right size to make card fronts, used metallic embossing powders in gold, silver and copper, and I ended up with these lovely cards. So if you're looking for ways to use your gel press prints, these are some ideas for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you have a wonderful crafty day and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.